Thinking about abortion can feel overwhelming. Understanding the process can reduce anxiety and help you make informed decisions. In this video, I'll explain what to expect step by step. The first step is a confidential consultation with a qualified gynecologist. Your medical history, pregnancy duration, symptoms, and any previous health conditions are reviewed. Pregnancy confirmation is important before any abortion procedure. This may involve a urine pregnancy test, blood beta HCG test, or ultrasound, depending on the clinical situation. Knowing the exact duration of pregnancy helps decide the safest and most appropriate method. Ultrasound also helps rule out ectopic pregnancy or other concerns. Depending on pregnancy duration and medical factors, abortion may be medical, using medicines, or procedural under medical supervision. Your doctor will explain the safest option for your situation. If a procedure is advised, the medical team will explain preparation, pain management, and what happens during the process. Most procedures are brief and performed under proper supervision. After abortion, mild bleeding and cramping may occur for some time. You'll receive instructions about medicines, warning signs, follow-up, and when to seek medical help. Emotional responses vary from person to person. Support, counseling, and accurate medical guidance are important. If you need confidential medical guidance, consult a qualified gynecologist for safe and appropriate care.